Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? My name is Joseph. If you are new here, I am a Microsoft certified trainer, and I'm happy that we are together again to continue what we started. Today, we are going to continue from the admin center M365. Of course, we started from the very scratch on how to set up your tenants, right? So now the way we are going about it is to come back to this place. Okay, let me just do, if you are coming to the admin center the first time, is admin.microsoft.com, and then you're going to land here, right? All right, so when you get here, the next point we have talked about all of these teams and group admin centers. I think today we are going to um health, right? Health or help and support, right? If I do show all, let's just do show all so that we can know exactly what we are supposed to do now. So we've done billing, so let's do support. Okay, so if you drop the support, you're going to see options, several options showing up here for you. You have the help and support, you have view service request, customer logbox request, you have Microsoft hardware support. Now for help and support, this is actually where you see, where you raise your ticket. Then view service request is where you see the tickets that you have raised before. Okay, let's click on help and support. Help and support, let's say unable to assign phone number, right, is what you need help for. So when you click on this, you're going to see add for, it will tell you to give you an insight, right, on what you need to do. Before you can set up users in your organization to make and receive phone call, you must get phone numbers for them. So if you click on this, it will show you how to get phone number, right? It will just give you instruction on how to get phone numbers, and then you can show more just so you can see. And then unsure about the voice services Microsoft offers and what features you need to see, you can click on this again to learn. And then do you need to add phone numbers to a meeting invite? I think that's talking about audio conferencing. You can have that. This is just information. Look at it, it's under the question mark, right? Then if you still do not have the answers from what you may have studied from what is suggested to you as document as self-help, you can click on this, and then this will give you option to contact support. So you can decide now to input your description of the issue. I try to do this and that and this and this happens, and then at the end of the day you state your mode of contact, and then you can choose to either receive a message from them, consent, recording. Okay, confirm email address of authorized contacts. Microsoft will work directly with the contact listed to resolve this service request. You can either leave this email or you can change it to whatever email you feel you are available so that you can be contacted, right? So that's for that. And now consent to recording, you can decide to say, okay, when I'm on call, it should be fine for them to record me. Or even if you want to switch completely from phone number contact, phone contact to email contact, of course you can change it from here so that the modality inside the Microsoft CRM is going to show that you prefer to be contacted over the email. But if you want them to also call you, of course you can put it here. If you want to give a full detail and you also want to add a file to the ticket, of course you can click on this, and then you can pick up the file that you want to attach of any format, and then it's going to get attached on the ticket when you raise it. So when you are done filling all these details, you click on contact me. Of course that time this is going to be automatically open for me, activated for me to click on submit. So this is how the service request is going to hit Microsoft, and before you know it, then we start calling you. You start receiving call or start receiving emails from the support team who are going to give assistance to you. So if you have service requests that you have on the list, this is where you are going to find them. So this is about the question, this is about creating the support ticket, this is about the list of the tickets that you have already. So this is where you can get all of this, right? So I think I practically have shown you help and support, which is the first one here. Then view service request, which is the one at the end, which is this one. And then you can also create support requests from there. This one is a lockbox. If you want to create a lockbox request, this is where you can do that. And then customer logbox. Okay, yeah, Microsoft hardware support. This is, you can also request for hardware support in case you have Microsoft hardware equipment that was purchased and then you need assistance on that. So this is where that is about service request. If you don't want to go this route of coming to this place to click on support, you can just easily click here, help and support, and then you can still see the same icon showing up here. So that is how to raise support to Microsoft. The first one here is the issue. You can even use it to diagnose the issue. Let's say calendar missing in Teams. Calendar missing. Let's even say calendar missing generally. Where is missing? This is missing. So Teams calendar is missing. You can click on this place and then you can have it bring up some issues for you. It will tell you that would understand you are having issues with Microsoft Teams calendar. Please provide the information that is needed. Of course, when you come down here, you can put the email address of the user here, maybe admin at who do I put here? Here I am. Okay, I think my email address here, Joseph, yes, at so what I would do is, if my calendar is missing actually, or have an issue, there are some diagnostics you could run here and you can resolve some issues here by yourself. So you can just click on run test. If actually I had issues with my calendar, then this is going to run and check what is likely causing the issue, and I'm going to be getting back to with the output of the test, because of course you can see that the test is running now and it's going to give me the output and tell me what and what to do. Of course, I can really do this before I start raising ticket. Now it is saying we couldn't find any problem. Of course, there's no problem with my calendar, so I was just trying to show you how it works. So here, from here, you can do your self-diagnostic and self-help, resolve issues by yourself. But if you hit a roadblock, you can just click on this next icon here to say, hey, Microsoft, please come and help. I cannot resolve it myself. Or you can go to this to view all the service requests you have, the ones that are active, the ones that are open. But for this tenant, it's just a demo and a trial tenant for the purpose of this training, so I don't have any service request that is pending, and that's why you cannot see anything showing up for me here. If you have a problem, this is how to reach out to Microsoft, and I hope this is also useful to you. Thank you for your time on this call. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that, because we have a lot of things still coming up in the future.